Welcome to the channel, everyone. Welcome, guys, to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston, and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy weight loss drink. It's going to be oats and adding some extra protein. You have nuts, I have about 5 different nuts in this. We have an egg, we have some milk. You can use almond milk if you want, and we have some natural honey we're gonna add to it just to give it a little bit of extra taste. You don't have to put it in it. Feel free to put whatever you want in it. So I'll take you through the process. I'm gonna need a little bit more water, and that's sometimes to help the blending process. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that there just in case. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the oats in, and here we have our milk. We're gonna go in with our nuts. I'm gonna add 1 egg to this. Now all that personal preference. Now what I need is my sea salt. So I'm gonna add some sea salt to this just for a bit of contrast. You don't have to put it in it. That's all personal preference. Honey. We're gonna add a bit of honey to this. So this honey have the honeycomb in it. You don't have to put it in it. It's all personal preference. So now I'm gonna try it and see if it needs anything extra in it, and also the consistency of it. Just gonna add a bit more salt in it. And I'm gonna grate a bit of nutmeg. So I'm just gonna get my other grater over the other side. So what I'm gonna do now, I have a mullet, and I'm gonna just put some of I'm gonna crush them a little bit. So we're just gonna braid them up a bit. And with this, just gonna go over, sprinkle some over it. And there you have it, guys. This is your weight loss oats smoothie. So if you do find value in this content, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Mm. Very nice.